Hi everyone, I'm Amrita and welcome to my channel Fries and Shine. Here you will find evidence-based, no-nonsense, nutrition-related information. And in today's video, I'm going to discuss 10 balanced meals that you can eat during Paryushan. One of the main issues that a lot of people face during Paryushan is that they can't eat enough vegetables or any vegetables. So the meals tend to be more high in carbs than they would normally be. Now don't get me wrong, carbs are great. We don't want too much of them though. Paryushan only lasts a week and this style of eating is not going to impact your health majorly for the most part. But still, if you want to optimize your health even during this 1 week of Paryushan, here's some easy, frequently eaten foods that you can balance. The meals that I'm about to discuss can be eaten at any time throughout the day, at any meal, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So let's get started. Number 1, paneer poha. Grate some paneer into your poha when you are cooking it. This lends this dish a protein component which is otherwise missing, making this dish more filling and more satisfying. Number 2, moong and khakra. This one's a Paryushan favorite. The crunch from the khakra, the fullness from the moong, and the easy prep makes this one a regular on everyone's Paryushan menu. Number 3, khandvi and milk. This one's a breakfast option. Khandvi is made of besan and pairing it with a glass of milk gives you a great high protein breakfast that will keep you full and will give you a really healthy start to your day too. Number 4, ragda patties. The raw banana patties and the wholesome and satiating chana make for a great meal. You can further add some dahi and chaat masala to this meal to amp up both flavor as well as fullness. Number 5, dahi vada. Chaat is always a favorite and this zingy option will add a really nice change to all your other Paryushan basics. Number 6, chole and paratha. Needs no explanation, you can't go wrong with this one. Again, you can add some dahi to get a perfectly balanced plate of half fiber, 1/4 protein and 1/4 carbs. Number 7, idli dosa, sambar and coconut chutney. Eat this at whichever meal you like. Again, this one's a cult favorite. Number 8, rajma paratha. This is a small twist on the basic rajma chawal. Put your rajma stuffing into a paratha, roll it out and pair it with some dahi and pickle for a really quick and easy meal. Number 9, lentil pasta. This is basically masoor dal in a really fun form. Red lentil pasta or masoor dal pasta is now commonly available in the market and you can pair this with an easy white sauce to make it a really fun meal. Number 10, hummus and falafels. Delicious, Paryushan friendly and filling. This can be eaten all on its own or even paired with some bread. Hopefully these options make it slightly easier for you to manage your food this Paryushan. Are there any meals in particular that you're having trouble balancing? Leave in the comments below. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video with others who will also find it helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, you can leave them in the comments below or reach out to me on Instagram. I hope to hear from you very soon. Until then, take care and keep shining.